friends, welcome back to Arts and Cass. Today I'm trying out a different style of video. I was just gonna bring you guys along on a little studio vlog. I have a whole lot going on as I'm setting up my next project. I'm trying out some new cloth, my new carpet strips, and I still have to figure out what the next project is gonna be. So I don't know. I thought it'd be kind of cool just to bring you guys along on the behind the scenes, picking them out, preparing the yarn. I'm also going to clean and take apart my tufting gun for the first time. I will explain that process and why I'm doing that. But for now, I think step one is I'm going to try and set up my new cloth on my new strips. Before I was using a staple gun. It took so long and it wasn't holding properly. But now that I got these carpet strips, I think this is gonna go a lot smoothly. So step one is stretching the cloth as tight as I can possibly get it around this frame. And just another little tip before I get into it, you want to leave a little bit of hangover on the rug so it has something to hold on to get tight. If you stick too close to the edge, you're gonna have problems with it not holding tight and getting holes and falling apart, and we do not want that, okay? Just like that, the cloth is up and it is super tight. That took like 3 minutes compared to like 20 to 30. So we're already winning. Now I have to figure out what I'm putting on this. And I really still haven't decided what I'm gonna do. I have an art fair coming up in just over 3 weeks. So I'm trying to figure out what I should make for that. And the next piece that I'm wanting to make, I don't know if I should focus on that before or if I should try and make some more pieces that other people would enjoy. I don't know. I'm thinking about these plant bookshelves with like leaves that are going to be on string hanging from it, multi-dimensional. I don't know, I think it'll be really cool, but it's gonna take me a lot of time. That's one option. I haven't finished this one, but I was thinking of 3 long hallway rugs, or I don't know, just long ones. But honestly, these are the only ones that I know I want to do, so maybe I should just do it. The struggle is real. Okay, I'm gonna try and figure myself out, and then I'm gonna come back when I have done that. Okay. Honestly, that took me way too long to figure out what I was gonna do next, but we're here now. I've got my plant bookshelves. They're looking cute. We're gonna fill this in. As you can see, I still have a couple spots around the edges and in there that I'm going to try and fill in. And I think since I have my fair coming up, I'm going to work on some coaster sets maybe. I don't know, something like easy gift stuff. So I'm gonna go start designing that quickly, and then we'll come back when we finish getting this board prepared. Okay, we are back. After a lot of deliberation, I have decided on the coasters that I'm going to do. And then I'm gonna do these in a couple different colors. I was trying to decide if I want to do single sets. I think I'm gonna do packs of 2. I haven't fully decided how many of each I'm going to do yet. And then I got these cute like flowers. I thought those would be cute. And then kitty paws. I'm gonna make some stencils of all these different guys so that this evening when I'm home, I can get them all stenciled onto my board and ready to go. Okie dokie. I've got all my stencils, my flower, avocado, little cute kitty paw. Now it is time. As you can see, I've got a whole bunch of gaps in here and down the side. So I'm just gonna work on filling these guys up with my little coasties. Just like that. Our board is completely full. I am so excited. I have a lot of coasters to do. These guys are really small. I think I'm gonna do punch needle. This is all coming together. So next step, figuring out what yarn I need. I think I'm going to start with my big pieces and just get everything ready to go. So let's do that. Going to get all the colors that I need to make sure that I have enough yarn for this project, because I'm gonna need a lot. I've talked about this before, but when I'm working with my tufting gun, I like to pre-prepare all of my yarn into big balls. That way when I'm working with the gun, it just pulls smoothly and doesn't get caught. I have a few pieces that I'm gonna have to ball up. Definitely need these colors. We got some dark green. So I'm just gonna organize them into ones that are already balls of colors I see, and then I'm also looking at like, I have one thing of light green and one ball, well, 2 balls, but this definitely came from one thing. So I'm just trying to get an idea. Obviously, most of this is plants, so I'm going to need quite a lot of green. So looking at this, I'm probably going to buy some more green. We got a little bit of black. Get all these out. Honestly, I really didn't realize how many steps and things I have to think about going into before I even start a project. So it's been kind of fun bringing you guys along on all the little things that I have to do. This is one of the most annoying parts. I think I gave up on this because yeah, we're not doing that right now. This is really annoying. I'm gonna come back when this is all balled up. Whoa, just like that. I have it all balled up, ready to go, and I've made a little list of the colors that I'm going to need. We're almost there. We're almost ready to start. We did it. A big ball takes like 20 to 40 minutes depending on how easy it is. Sometimes you get some good knots in there and it's just a pain in the butt. But. I'm going loopy. I need an energy drink. Ooh. Okay. So, we are back. As I've mentioned before, when you're working with a gun, you're gonna need 2 rolls. So when I'm preparing for my next project, I need to make sure that I have enough yarn to at least do the majority. This is quite a big project, so I'm gonna need a lot. Ugh. I guess it's time for the final step, and honestly the step that I've been putting off the most, but I guess we just have to do it. I'm just gonna show you and explain. So I have my tufting gun. I need to clean it to get it ready for the next project. I also need to figure out how to take this wheel part off. The last time that I was working with this gun, I had my hair down and I learned my lesson really fast. I got a whole bunch of my hair caught in the wheel. I did finish the rug and it was fine, but I can still see my hair. My hair is in there. And I feel like for the longevity of this gun and wanting to keep it in tip-top shape, having my hair wrapped in there is probably not good. So we're gonna try and take this apart. Surprisingly, it's not very common for people to get their hair stuck in here and for me to take this apart. I found a lot of videos on how to take the scissors and change those, but not this part. I'm gonna try and use my noggin. Because if I'm looking at it, there's this bar thing that holds these 2 pieces together. So if I take this apart, then I should be able to take the wheel out. I'm just scared about how many parts are gonna be coming out because I gotta put them back in. I've been really putting this part off, but there's literally nothing else to put off. This is all I could find. I think I can make it work. I don't know what I'm doing. This part of the video is probably so pointless because like no one else has this problem, I swear. What is even going on? I'm scared to take that piece apart. I just need this one to come off. But the issue is this whole wheel moves. Am I dumb? Like am I doing something wrong? Okay, it moved. It's moving. We're in. We are in. We're gonna take this off. I'm so scared. I have to put this back perfectly. I'm gonna put that back in there so we don't forget about her. So far, not bad. I can fix what I've done. I'm gonna figure this out. Ooh. Watch this just not come out. We've taken the second thing off. Oh, are you? I'm dead. I'm not. We've just discovered a problem. In order to take this off, I need to take this entire top piece off. I don't think I'm doing that. I feel like I'm gonna fuck it up. There's a lot of pieces in there that I don't wanna have to put back together. I guess my hair is just gonna have to live in there. That did not go as planned. So I'm gonna clean up the gun as good as well. The best that I can. I'm gonna do my best, because that's all I can do. I am also working on an in-depth video of how I clean my gun. So this part is just gonna be a quick go of how I do it. So I'm first going to start with my big brush, and I'm just going to clean all over it. So for the oil, the places that I like to get are where the things are rubbing together. Very technical words over here I'm using. The things and the places, okay? So the first is these 2 white things. As this wheel moves, these are constantly going back and forth. So we wanna make sure those are running smoothly. Whoa, that's a lot. Another drop on this side. And then just the exact same on the bottom. And there we go. The gun is cleaned up and we are ready to finally move on to this project. I've really been putting this off, as I usually do. It still makes me so nervous, but we're gonna do it and it's gonna be great. I feel like this is all the behind the scenes of that I've got. We are ready to go. That was the process that it took to get me to this point, ready to work on the next rug. Last night I spent hours, so many big balls of yarn, so nothing's gonna stop me now. We are ready to go. But yeah, this was a fun, different kind of style of vlog. I enjoyed making it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Thank you you guys so much for watching and getting to this point. Stay tuned for these coasters and plant rugs because they are going to be so cute and I am very excited about them. And as always, thank you for coming along into my little world, and until next time, peace.